Okay, so Zach makes a median salary for an actuary, and Noah makes the first quartile salary for a CPA. This is homework 2, part 2, number 7. So Zach makes a median salary for an actuary. So here's the actuary box plot. Here's the minimum. Here's the maximum over here. This is their first quartile. This is our third quartile. And this is the second quartile or the median. So Zach makes this amount of money. Let's go ahead and draw that in. There we go. Right there. So Zach's making $60,000. Notice it's in thousands of dollars, right? So I'll write that here. Oh, that's an amazing 6. All right, there we go. There's a 0. Noah makes the first quartile salary for a CPA. So let's go ahead and look at the CPA. We'll go ahead and just choose red, I guess. So once again, minimum, maximum. This is our first quartile. Here's our median, and here is our third quartile. So Noah makes this amount. So if we look down, Noah makes $40,000. That's an amazing 40. All right, looking pretty good. And so, who makes more money? Well, it's clear that Zach is making more money because he's making $60,000. And then how much more? Well, we just do 60 minus 40, and we type that in there. So that's how that goes. All right, thank you very much. Let me know if you have more questions.